Flashing white, she'd laugh and run, but every wave her wings would make brought ripples others couldn't take. Ripples of respect flow far and wide, touching hearts on every side. When you move with care and grace, you make the world a kinder place. Frogs were frowning, turtles too. Her big splashes made them blue. Then one day she stopped to see how peaceful stillness ought to be. Ripples of respect flow far and wide, touching hearts on every side. When you listen, when you care, gentle ripples fill the air. A tiny wave, a soft hello, can spread much farther than you know. Kindness shines in what we do. The pond feels better thanks to you. Ripples of respect flow far and wide, like sunshine dancing on the tide. Every heart and every friend